Hello, this is Seth, Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's in granite, really looks awesome. You have that chrome accenting up front with the chrome bumper. You also have your halogen headlights hanging out right there. Coming around the side here, we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 17-inch rims. It's got lots of tread left on them, and they do have the running boards along the bottom there. And up here we do have our mirrors with our turning signals, and they are heated as well. Coming around to the back here, we do have the SLT badging with the Ram and the 4x4. You have your chrome bumper back here as well, and you do also have your backup camera hanging out there. And coming into the back, it does have a 6-foot box with the spray-in box liner, keeping everything nice and safe. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, panic up there, and our remote start there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, and this nice brown color on it. You also have the chrome accenting on your handle, another handle here, and some storage right here and here, with a place for a water bottle. And it looks awesome in here. The brown is very nice, very comfortable seats as well, the cloth. You also have the electric here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then right up here, you do have the controls over the lights, so you have your auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. And up here, we do have the controls over our turning signals, our high beams, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge, engine temperature, battery life, and oil up there. We also have the temperature outside and how many kilometers we have, which is 48,000, which is not bad at all. You can switch that guy around in the middle from your speedometer to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also have your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And around the back of the steering wheel, you do have the volume up and down, and on the other side is the channel changer. Right in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel, as well as your backup camera and mirror dimmer. You have your Uconnect apps right there. Climate control with the dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your off and your phone. And when you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we do have our gear shift, so you just put your foot on the brake and turn it. And then you have your control over your 4-wheel lock, low and 2-wheel here. And then over here we do have our controls over the volume, up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power, off, auto, front and rear defrost. And then you have your traction control, tow and haul mode, heated seats, and steering wheel. And you do also have some extra room just down here. We also have our armrest, doubles as a storage container with our 3 cup holders. You can lift that guy up, and you do have your coin holders there with your USB and aux cord plug-in right there. Then you can also lift this guy up. You got another seat, so it seats 6 people all together, and there is another little compartment just underneath there. We have our 2 glove boxes here with lots and lots of room. They look awesome. And then up top, you got your universal garage door opener hanging out right there, and the control over the window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you have your handle, control over your windows, and a handle here, and it looks awesome back here. The brown cloth is throughout the whole vehicle, giving it a very nice look. You can lift this guy up, and you got some storage underneath there, and you can fold this guy down to have a flat surface to put stuff on top of, and you do have your cup holders hanging out right there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.